So starting the test drive in this Sprinter van, it's a Mercedes-Benz, so of course it's luxurious, but this just drives and rides like no other conversion van I've ever been in. And I've been in several, but just an impeccable ride quality, of course. And this is what you want to have your CEOs, your business people in, if you need to take long business trips or what have you. But I also love the turbo diesel that is offered in these. Of course, the diesel's very efficient. Having the turbocharger helps you get up to speed rather quickly. But all in all, again, this just rides like a Mercedes should. And with this van, I expected it to be a little harder to drive, especially with it having dual rear wheels. It kind of rides like a heavy duty, or it feels like it should drive like a heavy duty truck, but it really doesn't. It's pretty impressive in that sense. And what's fantastic is this it has so much tech, it's insane. But we're gonna take it on the interstate now and just see how it handles going down the freeway. We're gonna accelerate, see how peppy it is as well. So pretty good pull when you need it. And it's great to have the blind spot monitors for visibility because this is a big boy. But love having the adaptive cruise here. I mean, this is just such a luxurious van. We have the thigh support underneath. I don't know if I touched on that earlier when I showed the power lumbar control. But for long trips, what's great is you have the adaptive cruise. And I'm gonna adjust the gap back just a little bit for that. But the ride is just incredible, it really is. So we're turning back around for making a loop. Didn't want to get lost, so we're trying the paddle shifters out now. And the shiftable automatic is just a fantastic transmission. It really does what you tell it to when you tell it to do it. But all in all, for the money, if you are a CEO boss and you want to be able to take your kids out or take the whole office out for whatever reason, this gives you the flexibility to do that. And if you want to turn it into a retreat or a camping trip, you can do that as well, having the bathroom, the microwave, the water hookups, and all of that. But you really just get everything in a super luxurious package. Just a great, great van if you can afford it. I mean, this thing is just, gosh, it really is a mobile office. And not just that, it's a 5-star mobile office. Just an incredible van for an incredible amount of money, but if you can afford it, I think it's definitely worth it. But this will bring me to the end of my review of the 2022 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 conversion van.